When you see sheneea, I get program to say things like she want wood in her body and them thing there. It's because them a use her. She only has see the profit, but she not see the destruction. It's like a man who would have on a ship then, and somebody pay him to put a bomb in the belly of the ship. See? And him there on the ship too, you know. When I think about the money, I give him 2 million US. But him now remember say, I mean my family are there on the ship, you know. So them tell him say, yeah man, we have to do the bomb after you come off. And then blast the bomb when him there on it and him and him whole family dead. Everybody dead. Was it worth it? No. So you can't think about yourself. You have to think about the genre. When you see Spice now, I gotta do a gay show. I think she think about herself. You understand? When you see sheneea, I gotta come publicly for an interview and say, every man in Jamaica eat pussy. She a degrade with culture in order to please herself. No, you are not a blessing to the music. You are actually a cancer to the music when you do that. Because you are, don't flatter yourself. You are not the target. You are not the target, sheneea. Spice, you are not the target. The target is Jamaica. Them are using as pawns to help you humiliate Jamaica. So you have to think bigger than your belly. Think bigger than yourself. Think that you're a part of a movement. You're a part of a culture created and blessed to us by God. You understand? This was given to us from the universe itself as a gift, as a savior, as a blessing. So when you know do them selfish things here, fret not, my friend. There shall be consequences, dire consequences. There shall be immense pain and suffering. The suffering must be financial, because you can still have money. But the suffering when I go face will be very painful and critical. And you know what going to happen to you now? You going to want to cry out for help and afraid. Because you're shame. When the punishment come, remember I warning you, know. Regular I warn people and them not listening. Warning you. So when the punishment come, you go so shame, you afraid to cry out for help. You still have money. You still have nice car. You still have nice house and things. But the pain are going to be so critical. You going to want to cry out for help and afraid. Trust me. Trust me. You hear? So you don't have to apply or comply or agree with Foota or nothing. I will be here. If you want a friend them call and tell me, bird I go fly and come tell me. Ants I go crawl and come tell me. Worm I go come tell me. We go witness on the pain. Stop play with God. Stop play with the gift of reggae and dancehall. Now play with it. And a something for no play with. You think my business if you want to get your body dig out and say you think my business? Now you're a body wall? But not tell me. But you come publicly come tell me that. You're bright. You represent a brand, you can't come to that. When you work for corporate all the while, when corporate say if you come perform and you can't cuss nobody, they have to change your lyrics them. You ever see Beyonce go up on an interview and them ask her that? Them they ever rate you neither. Show you something, sheneea. Them they even rate you. You think Diana Ross or none of them diva there, and Mariah Carey can go up on that and them come ask her about if she ever get fucking her body and them something there. Where? First thing, you know how much millions them have to pay Beyonce for your interview? Eh? You remember when Oprah interview Michael Jackson, you know how much millions she have to pay? And then man they tell her what to ask him say. Girl, you can't ask me nothing when I don't want to talk about. Eh? And you make them ask you about if you ever get your body dig out and you come talk about yes, you tried it one time but it couldn't go in. And hear the girl this, the girl say, other than orgy, what else would you try? That means you tell her, so you do orgy already, you know? That means you accept man a battery, you know? You know in a sense, man? You really know in a sense? No, man, she not, let me tell you why I know she not say it off her own. Them program the question them for ask her, and them already tell her what the answer say. The Angela, you will ask her that, get program ready for do that. Out of order. First thing them not respect you for even ask you that question there. What that have to do with your music? What that have to do with your album when you come out? If them respect you, them would have never ask you that. Who you ask that? You should just get up and walk off. You'd go viral more than what you do now. You should just get up and take off the headphone and fling it down and say, you're out of order and walk off. You understand? Them not ask Beyonce that. Me swear them not ask Beyonce that. Them cannot ask Beyonce that. If Mariah Carey go up on that, they cannot ask her that. Me promise you. Them not respect you. Hear the girl. Other than orgy, what else would you? So that girl you tell you say, you make man run train for you, you know? And you know reject that, you know, object to that, you know? And you have a son? Let's be realistic. You have a very brilliant child. We know how to use all of them apparatus, your phone, iPad, everything. Brilliant kid. And you make them disrespect you like that? And you disrespect yourself like that? While representing us? Sorry, you know, darling, you know, represent me, you know. Come me no fuck girl in a body. And any man around you know have a problem with that. A batty man. Right now, me worry about the whole camp. Coming here, no man in a camp come say nothing about that. Everybody act like you know say it. Like it never happened. The whole camp I walk on ice right now. Me not trust nothing around there. Nothing. Just I tell you, you know that. Me not trust nothing around your camp. No man when me see around here, me not trust. Because if you say that, and none of them have nothing to say. Every man quiet like them, cool with it. Me not trust none of them. None of them. Just reality. I mean I say them things without an ounce of bad mind. Enough people want to say it, but them afraid. Me not beg no friend, you know. And if the world of money run a phone foot and it dirty, me not want it. You understand? So me I say, you need to wake up, understand the assignment, understand say you're a reggae artist, you're Jamaican. Because see you do whole heap of R&B song on your album and sitting, what them put it in a reggae category, and now Billboard remove the reggae category. So how you get Billboard award? No Billboard award no there for you get. He's not a pop artist, he's not a hip hop artist. So how you want project hip hop and pop lifestyle within a reggae artist category? Because Sex in a Bottom and them something they are promoting a music, a hip hop thing. You understand that a hip hop thing, but them not throw you over there. Your body could have dig out till you can't hold your shit, them not put you over there. Once you're born a Jamaican and do Jamaican music come from reggae category, you know. All of your album with a 15 soul song, reggae category, you know. So was it worth it? Was it worth it? To come embarrass yourself and embarrass we, was it worth it? No worth it, Bridget. No worth it. Me I watch Spice for see if she go do this Batman show you too. Come here go see if it worth it, you know. Me I go see if it worth it. Because you see when them done chowing up and spitting out, guess what now if you come back? When them done use you know, and abuse you know, Zine, and use you know for disgrace Bob Marley and Peter Tosh and Jacob Miller and Dennis Brown and Yassa Safari and Burning Spear and Jimmy Cliff and Uri and Jayut and Brigadier when you not embarrass them and done and disgrace on yourself, will not come back. Which pound have to come back? So you sell out your place of home, you reside in city. If you go shitty up yourself, then you don't have to come back. You not think. You not pre long term. Alright, there was Pacha before, no Pacha not at now. There was Dan Penn, there was all of these people, them not at now. You think temporary? You no think temporary, no matter how good you is, you think temporary. And the only thing we're going to keep you alive is the Jamaican promoters, them in the Jamaican arenas. So what you do? It don't make sense to sell out your Jamaican thing for a momentary hype and then you have to come right back. Uno na pray. Uno fi pray. And me I say this, I know this, me this one, you know. But me I assess you by what I do. I be a fucker, you know, the brethren. I be a fucker, you know, you still don't have a must play song. You don't have a must play song. The last good song you have where really makes sense are the Taurus Riley, Yan Taurus, and then Zoom song. So you know, each up under the man arm like Roland. No boy can't come program you. But remember says Shensi did have a song, you know, where she say she now make the boy play with her rear, you know. Remember? I wish when I sang them that again. Where she that burn out man will play with the rear. No. You're there on the international market. Yeah, say that you're dealing, but it dig out. Yeah, this is so fucking confusing. She did have a song, remember? Where she say she now make a boy play with her rear, right? You remember? You remember? I wish when I sang them again. Zine? And then now, you go up on Angela Yee program say, about to dig out your deal it. And you try it already. So who try it already? The next big question is who did I do it? Yo, them man around Shensi said she put them in a trouble. Them man I eat that hour. Every time the girl does something messed up, it reflect her question, then you know. And who did I do your bottom? Where it could go in? I big question that, you know. Jody Pelpa, the big question, who was the man going in there? Da da dee, da da da, da da dee, da da da. Rock of Ages, cleared for me. Let me hide myself in thee. Yo. If them money na say this girl I go run the whole of them career to wreck. If yo so I could go deep on another reasoning then. So if she alright with a man, I dig her bottom and then dig her vagina. So what we if you think now? You're pretty, you're sexy, see? You can sing, but what going on in her vagina there? Think about it. What going on in her vagina there? What going on? You left run a garbage pan and I carry from run a garbage pan go in a kitchen. I walk up. I'm gonna leave it at that now, here people. Have a nice night. I will continue tomorrow. Artists, stop thinking that you can come break this sudden barrier with America. No. America and the whole of the rest of John and them in the world a fight against Jamaican culture, Jamaican music. So just go in the studio, sing where the ancestors them I tell you where your inner spirit I tell you, and sing the right thing. Uphold the culture, uphold the thing. Big up on yourself.